Hey guys, finished up a couple of drills and I wanted to show you my old drill collection. So bear with me. I got this little podium set up here, and that'll be kind of where I'm going to set each piece as I show it to you. Hopefully this is tolerable. So the newest one is this Black & Decker. I remember I showed you in the video it was taken apart. I couldn't help myself but to start the clean up on it, and this thing was caked. It was covered with all kinds of stuff. Runs great, very high torque, missing the handle for the top. Just really nice. And that was part of that little lot I just picked up the other day. So is that one. I'm just going to show you these because they are part of the collection. The $4 flea market Speedway. Another high torque piece. And these all typically have this Jacobs, I think it's a 33B chuck, but very nice. And I know you just saw this stuff, but again, I'm going to include it. The Black & Decker 1/4-inch tap gun. Now I'll start digging them out of the closet. Bear with me. I was going to take it all out and have it ready, but it's, really not a big deal. Pulling out as I go. So I have an unpainted 5-inch Black & Decker bench grinder, and I think this was $10. I can't remember. I'm just going to kind of go in line here. This was a thrift store purchase. If you remember that really nice Craftsman metal case, this is a 1/4-inch drill, and it wasn't working. It had an issue with the switch. It is working now. And Ram Tools 3/8 power drill. Okay. This one here, give me a hernia. So this is a Powercraft drill, 3/4-inch drive. This is huge. I mean, imagine being the guy that has to use this all day. And it has a 3/4-inch Jacobs chuck that just threads on the end. I just happened to have it off. I was cleaning it at one point. I mean, this thing is a monster. It's got to weigh 20 pounds. Okay. Oh. Try to grab a couple each time I come over here. But bear with me. Okay, so another Ram Tools. This is the 1/2-inch drill. Slightly bigger than the other one. They're very similar. The other one's 3/8. This is 1/2-inch. And we have Black & Decker. It's a 3/8 drill. I love these old steel case tools. Every tool I'm showing you does work, by the way. For the most part, you don't really have too many issues with the older power tools. It's usually just the cord or the brushes sometimes, Alrighty, so this is Thor 1/2-inch impact wrench. I got this in a lot a while back, but definitely nice. Then old Black & Decker portable grinder. You can put a grinding stone or a wire wheel on the end of this. So okay. I gotta rearrange this stuff anyways. I'm running out of space in the closet. I have a closet here and just wooden shelves on it, and I just kind of have the stuff set up on there. This isn't really that old. I think it's from the 80s, but 6-inch bench grinder, 1/2 horsepower motor. Good Lord. Okay. I have a wire from a wire wheel stuck in my foot as we speak. Just a Black & Decker jigsaw. Not too old. That actually belonged to my dad. And it's that olive green kind of color. And this is from that same era of the jigsaw I just showed you. This is a 5-inch Black & Decker bench grinder. And it's immaculate. I got this from a lady who was selling some tools that belonged to her grandfather. I don't think it was ever hardly used. Alrighty. And Sears Craftsman variable speed bench grinder, 6-inch. This is nice. It's just I'm not a fan of the plastic housing, but it's all there and it does run pretty well. It's, I guess it'd be nice to have the variable speed. This stuff is just sitting here. I collect it. I don't use much of this stuff. Got an old, older anyway, companion saber saw. This isn't really that old, but it's still old enough. Oh, the joy of having wires stuck in your toes. This is a neat one. This Milwaukee, and it's a Milwaukee 1/2-inch drill, and it's missing its original trigger switch. It's been converted to kind of a button switch there, but it does run decent enough. I got that when I got the Powercraft 3/4-inch drill. Same person. Yeah. Man. These old power tools are definitely heavy. And next up, we got a Black & Decker. This is the home utility line 1/2-inch drill. This does have its handle. And another high torque piece. This will spin you around. Nice. Alrighty. Whew. Oy. Whew. Then last, another Black & Decker 5-inch grinder. This one I painted black, and it's got 2 of the original stones with it. Great shape. That's really it. That's that's it for the power tools. I'm gonna unhook this from the tripod, and it's gonna get shaky here for a minute, but I'm gonna show you some stuff here. All right. So these two toolboxes are actually in my bedroom. We have an old Craftsman top and bottom, and a Cobalt chest. Now, you see a lot of the snap-on from that haul I got at the garage sale, and I just have random some Irwin pieces there, some Crescent pieces there. I got a DeWalt angle grinder on deck, new Stanley tape measure, just some tools and whatnot that I've picked up. Got a nice set of channel locks, Irwin demo drivers, cat work light. Got those for $7, $7 or $8. The gear wrench set, Tractor Supply. But this Cobalt box is kind of where I keep most of my better tools. Oh, check this out. This was $1. This Klein Tools mug, thrift store, $1. I saw it and I couldn't believe it. But it's not microwave safe, which is why I don't use it. I just kind of keep it there. But this is my better tools. And this top drawer here is mostly Snap-on. There's some Mac. And this is all stuff that I've picked up in tool lots. I've never specifically bought any Snap-on or Mac pieces. I got some Knipex and Mac and a ton of Snap-on in here. Just various pliers. You got those new those are those Snap-on sockets, the 3 sets that I picked up at the garage sale, and the rest of these are Snap-on and Mac sockets. This top drawer is just better Craftsman pieces that I have, and just other stuff that I wanted to keep kind of by itself. These are my, I guess, my best ratchets. I've got a Mac swivel head. This is actually a ratcheting screwdriver, the Snap-on. Got the Armstrong pieces. Got a bunch of Snap-on, you know, that kind of thing. And a lot of wrenches. We got Snap-on and whatnot. I showed you that. The bulk of my my ratchets is down here. I have the mother load. I have almost one of every single ratchet. I mean, a ton of the Craftsman teardrops, and I've just been collecting them for a while now. So any actual ratchet you can imagine. I gotta get these organized, but you know, just any ratchet you can imagine, I have it there. And then the bottom shelf, I keep my better hammers, and there's a whole pile of them. There's Blue Point, Snap-on, you name it. This Husky bag I picked up full of tools for $10, and I've converted it to my electrician's bag. I have anything electrical is in here, and I have a ton of stuff, just a ton of stuff. I have some new stuff too I haven't even used yet, like this Klein insulated screwdriver set. And I got the I picked this up recently, the MM600 multimeter, but yeah. Then the Craftsman box is loaded up as well. I guess I'll give you a quick peek of that. Geez. The bottom drawer is sockets, and it's loaded right up. And these are all American made, SK, just you name it, it's in there. All American made sockets. This is mostly my USA Craftsman wrenches. We have various pliers. This all has to get organized. I just kind of throw it in here as I get it, but USA made pliers, various types. I have some older pipe wrenches and auto wrenches, whole bunch of them. USA made screwdrivers, more screwdrivers, and we have some channel lock pieces, and it's just junk, just stuff just thrown everywhere. It's got to get organized. It's a work in progress. I have my hands full. I have stuff everywhere, but that's it. Just wanted to give you a quick showing of my power tool collection there. Hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Thanks for watching as always. Thanks.